Not all fashion businesses are profitable. If it's were, this person will not have this issue. In today's video, I'm going to go over some profitable fashion business ideas that you could start today as a small business owner and scale into a 6 to 7 figure business. As you will come to find out about me, I do not just give you theories. I prefer to show you how to start the business and what to use in order to start the business. But first, here's a disclaimer telling you that I will be featuring some business kits in the video. These ones. The business kits are done for you digital products that contains the core resources that you need to start the business. By core resources, I mean manufacturers for the business, researched business ideas, packaging suppliers, and so much more. When I share a business idea, I'll show you how to use the business kit to start the business. Clothing business has to be one of the best fashion businesses, and the industry is just so versatile. Starting a clothing business is very profitable if you know how to stand out. You could start a luxury female clothing brand, a modest clothing brand, a workwear or corporate wears clothing brand for people within a specific industry, a plus-sized clothing brand. The possibilities are endless. But here is the reason that most people start the business and fail. It's because they don't niche down. You can't assume that because everyone wears clothes, therefore everyone would buy the clothes that you sell. It doesn't work that way. Yes, the business is very profitable, but as a small brand who wants to compete with bigger clothing brands and be successful, you need an edge. That edge is this clothing business ideas ebook. It's a part of what you get with this clothing business kit. Each clothing business idea in the ebook comes with its own target audience. So you're not going to be guessing who you want to sell to. And the target audience are a specific group of people that we have researched to have the money and desire to buy the type of clothes that you'll be selling to them. Which brings me to my second favorite part. How you can position your business that will get their attention and make that target audience buy from you over and over again. Let me show you what I mean. The name of this idea is Date Inspired Collection. For the audience you're to focus on, it says girls interested in looking effortlessly put together for their romantic dates. Can you see that we're not just chasing random people who go on dates as our audience? We are very specific and we want the ones that are interested in looking effortlessly put together. The ones that value their looks and want to put in the extra effort. One of the 3 ways that we could sell to this particular audience says sell a bundle collection of 3 dinner date outfits. So the outfits should be bundled to reflect the exact aesthetic your audience wants. The tip attached to the idea says that you could make the dress selection process open to your clients' choosing, or you could choose what goes into each bundle by modeling a celebrated figure within the aesthetic. Just make sure the prices are fixed. So if you were to implement this clothing business idea, your clothing brand will automatically go from being a regular boring clothing store to something that this audience, who obviously have the resources for it, will be interested in. There are more than 30 something of these business ideas in the ebook too, so you get them when you purchase the business kits. After deciding on the business idea, you will find the contact details of clothing manufacturers that can bring the ideas to life. We took our time to select the best of the best manufacturers that work very well with beginners like you and can either make the clothes from scratch if that's what you want, or sell you ready to ship clothes. There are 10 manufacturers in the kit and each of them makes over 4,000 plus new designs and styles of clothes every 3 months. And all of these clothes are completely up to current global trends. These are the information that you get about each manufacturer in the kit so that you know the exact company that your business is partnering with. You learn how to work with them with this business guide. Everything from how they operate, what to say, what to expect, how to say it, how to get good deals, how to pay for your orders safely and securely, and how to ship your order to your doorstep is discussed in here. The last thing you will find in the kit are packaging suppliers that can make the best packaging that reflects your brand's image the way you want it. The fitness or gym wear industry has been growing at a very fast rate, and if you were to start any of these businesses, you're guaranteed success. Pilates wear line, yoga wear line, golf wear line, athleisure line, modest gym wears for older people, and so on. Of course, you have to know the exact audience to sell these to and how to sell to them that they will buy from you. And for that, we have this activewear business ideas ebook. The content of the ebook is just like the clothing business ideas I showed you earlier. You get the business ideas, you get the exact audience that we have researched to have high buying power. You get to learn how to sell to them that will make them give you their money. The ideas cut across the activewear niches that I listed out. If you want to see more of what is inside the ebook, I already discussed it in the video that I will link where the arrow is pointing at in this video. Go and check out the video. So after choosing the business idea you want, you're to choose the manufacturer that you want to work with for your business from the business kit. Just like the clothing manufacturers, we selected activewear manufacturers that you can work with, whether you're making your custom line activewear or you're buying ready to ship pieces. Since we vetted them ourselves, we guarantee that they are safe to use and very reliable. You also get the business guide. I already mentioned everything that you'll be getting from the business guide, and custom packaging manufacturers. This business kit is fit for a complete beginner, and these are review pictures from clients who bought from the manufacturers in the kit. With this business idea, you can sell different kinds of streetwear clothes like sweatpants, sweatshirts, t-shirts, hoodies, shorts, and so on. You can sell them to just women, you can sell to just men, you can sell to both, or you can sell to just kids. And if you're starting this business, you will need this business kit. Unlike the other two that I've already featured, this business kit does not contain researched business ideas. What you'll find inside are manufacturers for the business. Yes, we vetted and verified them, so we guarantee that they are safe for use. Each streetwear manufacturer in the business kit has the capacity to make your pieces with what is in your tech pack. That's if you want to start a custom business. You also find ready to ship streetwear pieces that you can buy right away and sell to your own customers. The business guide is in the kit, as well as custom packaging suppliers. If you want to start this business, I recommend this kit over and over and over again, but don't take my word for it. Here are review pictures from customers who bought from the manufacturers. This industry thrives every year because of the high demand. The type of swimwear pieces that you can sell are limitless, because you could sell knitted swimwear pieces, you could sell one-piece swimwears, you could sell the ones with cover-ups, you could sell men's swimwear, you could sell different variations and style of the swimwears depending on the theme that your brand takes up every year. For this business idea, you will need this business kit. Inside, you get access to the full information of the best swimwear and beachwear manufacturers. What I personally like about the manufacturers is the regularly updated ready-to-ship designs that they always have, and how reasonable their MOQs are for small business owners. If you don't know what that means, you will need this business guide. Don't worry, it comes with the business kit alongside the details of custom packaging suppliers. I highly recommend the business kit, and the link to it will be in the description box. When we're doing an audience research for this business idea for a client recently, we noticed that more people were demanding loungewear, but very few people sold them. It's either they are selling hoodies or they are selling athleisure as loungewear. But if you can come into the market and sell high quality loungewear pieces, whether they are the luxury kinds made with soft bamboo materials or silk, you have a huge market. And this business kit can help you with that. I must say that there are just 6 manufacturers for this business in the kit, but all 6 of them offer custom services as well as ready-to-ship services. They work very well with small businesses, and every client that have gotten the business kit doesn't have a single complaint about them. You get this full information about them, and you can use this business guide to learn how to work with them like the big brands do. The business guide shows you the important things you should be doing and how to do them when it comes to working with the manufacturers, with scripts and templates. You also get the contact information of custom packaging suppliers in the kits. So far, these are the top 5 fashion business ideas that we have researched to get you to 6 to 7 figures every month if you know what you're doing. The 5 business kits that you need for the businesses are available for purchase on our website. I'll leave the link in the description box. Instead of saving this video to your watch later playlist, why not immediately get the kits and start planning towards starting your business? We're in June, the end of the first half of the year. I know you told yourself that you start your business this year. We have now handed you with what you need to start the business, so you don't have any more excuses. Your competitors are getting the business kits and they're starting their businesses, and they're getting all the customers that you'd have been getting, all the sales you'd have been getting. Your competitors are getting all of it. It's time for you to stop scrolling and saving videos that you and I know that you will never revisit, and actually start your business. That will be all for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. But if you have any questions about the business kit, reach out to us through any of our socials and I'll personally reach back to you. See you in the next video.